and warmth, I welcome you all to the Annual Day Celebration 2025 of Lollipops Preschool. We are honored by the presence of our parents, teachers, and well-wishers who have joined us today to celebrate the achievements and talents of our young learners.
To commence this evening's program with the blessings of the Almighty, I respectfully invite Rubda ma'am to lead us in prayer.
Pranamam Pranamam Mahayajnasara Prakasham Vidartunna Vijnana Surya Pranamam Pranamam Mahayajnasara Prakasham Vidartunna Vijnana Surya Tamasil Madil Niti Manasil Varu Ni Taru Pon Prebadam Prebanjam Vilangan Karalindi Muttatu Vidyaksharangal Kanivillu Tirkunna Vidyana Phavam Karayupna Siragupi Nilkunnu Nyang.
Honor to welcome Shehin ma'am, head of Lollipops Preschool, to deliver the welcome speech.
Distinguished guests, dear parents, well-wishers, teachers, staff, and my lovely children. A very warm and joyful welcome to one and all to the annual day celebrations of Lollipops Preschool. It gives me immense happiness and pride to see you all gathered here today. First and foremost, I thank the Almighty for His abundant blessings and for making this beautiful day possible. When we started Lollipops Preschool with a handful of little learners, we had a simple yet strong vision. Lollipops Preschool has grown into a vibrant learning community trusted by parents and cherished by children. Over the years, our school has achieved many milestones. Our children had showcased their talents in inter-school competitions, cultural programs, and academic activities, bringing home awards. More importantly, they have grown into confident, curious, and compassionate individuals, which we believe in true success of education. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for being our strongest partners in our journey. We have conducted at our school throughout the year. These visuals reflect the joyful learning experiences and the beautiful memories of our children have created with us. I once again welcome you all
For your warm and gracious welcome.